अब कहाँ पे थे?
Yeah. So next question is the BMI value. Should it ever be considered, or
Never.
is it just be the weight or your fat loss percentage?
No, never.
We should not consider BMI at all.
Not at all. FMI is a better option.
So most metabolic organ by weight in human body.
Brain. 440 calories burnt per kg of body weight, of brain weight.
And which gland is responsible to control metabolic rate in human body?
Thyroid gland.
So we already had a video made on
Yes.
thyroid, all the details. Lowest calories you should drop to in fat loss phase.
Not less than your BMR value. The BMR value is the lowest.
How much muscle a newbie can gain in first year, second year, third year, and so on?
So in first year, 1 to 1.5% of the total body weight. Then in the second year, 0.5 to 1% of the total body weight. Third year, 0.25 to 0.5% of the total body weight. And in the fourth year and so on, it gets very difficult even to add 1 kg or 1.5 kg. So as you will keep on moving more than 10 years, if you're training, so 700, 600 gram in a year is also very difficult.
What is the substrate for testosterone production?
Cholesterol.
So now we are at the last question. From which macronutrient does body produces maximum energy? Is it carbs, proteins, or fat?
Fat. So that was it. I think around about 20-25 questions we answered.
Yeah.
So ऐसा रील में बनाते रहूँगा जहाँ पे ऐसे छोटे क्वेश्चन, आपके जो क्वेश्चंस बड़े हों उनके आंसर्स छोटे हों, क्रिस्प हो, आपको समझ में आ जाए एंड क्लैरिटी थोड़ी सी मिले. इनके ऊपर मैं ऑलरेडी वीडियोस बना चुका हूँ, अगर आप जाके देखेंगे तो समझ में आएगा. उन्हीं में से क्वेश्चंस मैंने उठाए हैं. ऐसे और वीडियोस जब मैं बनाता रहूँगा इन्फॉर्मेटिव, उन्हीं में से छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस निकलेंगे एंड देन सोनिया विल कम एंड आस्क मी एंड देन आई विल आंसर. ओके, थैंक यू. So keep hearing.